Top 5 Best Tactical Flashlight. Number 5 Fenix PD35. The Fenix PD35 Tactical Edition remains in pocket size but in higher performance and focuses on tactical employment. Measured at less than 14 cm long, it features up to 1000 lumen output and throwing distance to 200 meters. In outdoor mode, it delivers 6 output modes. However, tactical mode strengthens PD35 with simplified and fast operation. From outdoor use to law enforcement, you can resort to it. Stainless steel side switch for switching modes and outputs. Tactical mode operation turns side switch off and operates turbo, strobe, and low via tail switch. Outdoor mode operation utilizes side switch for all levels, and rear switch simply turns on/off. Digitally regulated output maintains constant brightness. Amazon products link check in the description. Number 4 Surefire R1 Lawman. R1, the Surefire R1 Lawman designed for law enforcement officers. The rechargeable R1 Lawman LED flashlight features a maximum output of 1000 lumens, and head and tail cap switches that are user-programmable. This dual-fuel capable light also has the ability to run on either its included rechargeable lithium-ion, Li-ion, battery or 2 disposable or rechargeable 123A cells. White light output, 1000 lumens on high. O-ring and gasket sealed to keep out dust and moisture. 3 light levels, high 1000 lumens, medium 150 lumens, and low 15 lumens. Virtually indestructible LED emitter. Microprocessor regulated to maximize output and runtime. User-programmable tail cap and head switches provide 3 light output levels plus high-intensity tactical strobe. Dual-fuel capable, uses 1 lithium-ion rechargeable battery, included, or 2 disposable or rechargeable 123A cells. Fuel gauge indicates remaining battery power. Number 3 Streamlight ProTac HL. Streamlight's ProTac is a high-lumen tactical light that is USB rechargeable, so it can be charged on the go using almost any USB source. It also accepts multiple battery sources to use as a backup. A multifunction push-button tail switch facilitates one-handed operation. Powerful C4 LED technology leaves other LEDs in the dark. It pumps up the brightness to 3 times more light intensity and creates an intense beam that pierces the darkness, providing the long run times and indestructibility of an LED with a new level of brightness. 850 lumen, USB rechargeable, dual 100,000 hour lifetime high-intensity LED solid-state bulbs. Run time, 7.50 continuous hours, 1,0 s of momentary bursts of light. Number 2 Smith & Wesson MP12. The MP12 Leaders ED Tactical Flashlight with high, low and strobe modes is constructed from anodized aircraft aluminum in matte black, shatterproof, tempered glass lens with anti-reflective coating, shot-blasted reflector, double O-ring sealed for waterproofing, and extreme weather and corrosion resistance. Nylon holster with duty belt sized opening and Velcro loop attachment with spare battery compartment. Beam distance, 242 meters high, 32 meters low. Length, 5.55 inches. Weight, 6.15 ounces. Batteries: waterproof, impact-resistant batteries, 2CR123 lithium, included. Run time: 2 hours and 15 minutes on high, up to 43 hours on low. Number 1. EagleTac T25C2. The new EagleTac T25C2 uses the latest Cree-Lamp XML2 LED for maximum output at 1180 lumen. Specifications: LED, Cree XML2 U2 at LED max output, 1180 LED lumen, 965 ANSIFL1 lumen beam profile center lux, 17,200 lux 7 center spot angle, 6.9 degree spill light angle, 54 degree beam distance, 287 yards/262 meters. Material: AIEI hard anodization aerospace aluminum. Battery reverse polarity protection. Tail stand ability with included tail stand boot.